Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to apply automatically serial number within your data. And after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to apply serial number automatically quickly. Let me show you how. So there are two methods to apply the serial number. The first method is, for example, if I want to assign numbering here, so I type 1, 2, and I will select all those, and then I will drag from the bottom when the plus sign appears, and I keep an eye on top of the plus button to see which number it's going. And if I want it until number 50, so I will stop here and it will apply the serial number with this method. So as you can imagine, if we have like loads of rows, loads of cells, then it is quite hard to get down all the way down to get the serial number. So let me show you the method to apply serial number quickly and efficiently. So what I will say, I will type 1 and then I'll keep the cursor on this cell, and from Home tab I will go to the fill function, click the node on side, and then you can see series. Another window, small window will pop up and it has different options. I'm interested in columns at the moment because I want to apply serial number within the column. Then it's saying step value, which is starting value, and stop value. Stop value, I want numbering until 50, so I will type 50, press OK. Now you can see it has created the serial number quickly, automatically itself. It's starting from the 1 and ending on the 50. So this was the method to apply the automatic serial number within the column. And again, if I want to apply serial number within the row, so what I will do, I will keep the cursor here. Again, go to fill function within the home tab, then series, a small window will pop up. Now, instead of columns, I will select the rows and step value 1. For example, I want the numbering until number 30, and then press OK. Now you can see it has assigned the serial number up to 30. You can see up to 27, 30 on within the row. So this is how you can quickly apply the serial number automatically within your data. If you like this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel.